If you're on the hunt for a reliable internet service, you've probably heard of AT&T Fiber. But does it truly live up to the hype? Today, we're digging into what makes this provider worth considering or not. AT&T Fiber is designed to deliver ultra-fast internet speeds, boasting plans that can reach up to 5 GB in select areas. This high-speed connectivity is ideal for households with multiple users streaming, gaming, or working from home simultaneously. The installation process is relatively straightforward, and in many cases it can be completed without professional help, which is a plus for those who prefer a DIY approach. The user experience is generally smooth, with a solid and intuitive app that allows you to manage your network settings and monitor usage easily. However, coverage can be a bit hit or miss depending on your location. Some users have reported inconsistent speeds during peak hours, which might be a concern for those looking for guaranteed performance. One area that feels unclear is the pricing structure. While the initial rates may seem appealing, it's essential to read the fine print, as promotional rates may increase significantly after the first year. Overall, it's a robust option, but potential users should weigh their specific needs against these factors. Let's break down the pros and cons of AT&T Fiber. On the plus side, the speed options are impressive, especially for large households or heavy internet users. The installation is user-friendly and the app is quite functional, making it easy to manage your network. However, there are some drawbacks. Several users have expressed frustration over inconsistent speeds during peak times, which can be a deal breaker for gamers or those who rely on steady connections for work. Additionally, the pricing can feel deceptive, with promotional offers that don't last long. If you're in an area with limited availability, you might also find yourself stuck with fewer options. AT&T Fiber might not be suitable for everyone, especially if you value consistent performance over speed. But for those who can take advantage of its strengths, it could be a solid choice. In conclusion, AT&T Fiber offers impressive speeds and a good user experience, but potential customers should be cautious about pricing and coverage issues. If you're in a well-served area and need high-speed internet, it's worth considering. However, if stability is your priority, you might want to explore alternatives before making a commitment.